Hello, everyone. Today, I have a very special story for you. This story will not only help you learn English, but more importantly, you will discover why most people fail and what successful people do differently to succeed. So, relax, take a deep breath, and listen carefully. Many years ago, in China, there were two poor farmers. One day, each of them bought a bamboo seed from an old man, hoping it could change their lives. The old man told them, "If you are patient, this seed can change your life. Care for it every day, and it can feed your family for years to come." Excited, both farmers planted their seeds. They watered the soil, gave it sunlight, and checked it carefully, every single day. Days passed. No growth. Weeks passed. Nothing. Months passed. Still nothing. After 1 year, the first farmer said, "This is useless. The old man is a liar." He stopped watering. He left the seed and forgot about it. Meanwhile, the second farmer did not stop. He told himself, "This is my only chance to change my family's life." So he kept going. Year after year, he continued. After 4 years, still no sign of growth. People laughed at him. "You're wasting your time. There is nothing in the ground. You are a fool." But he did not stop. Every day he took care of the soil. He removed the weeds and watered it carefully, believing in something invisible, a big, strong bamboo tree. Then, in the 5th year, something amazing happened. A tiny sprout finally appeared, and within 6 months, the bamboo grew up to 100 feet tall. It exploded out of the ground. Everyone was shocked. How is this possible? But the truth is, it did not grow in 6 months. During the first 4 years, the bamboo was growing underground. It was building strong roots to support its future growth. Without those roots, it would be impossible to grow so tall so fast. Meanwhile, the first farmer walked by. He saw the tall bamboo and felt deep regret. "I was so close," he whispered. But it was too late. His seed never grew. So, why did the second farmer succeed and the first one fail? What is the difference? It is not the seed, it is not luck, it is not talent. It is patience. The first farmer quit too early. The second farmer trusted the process. At the beginning, everyone is excited, everyone feels motivated, but the real test comes when progress is slow. Most people stop, but successful people continue. Many of us believe that success happens overnight. We admire young entrepreneurs who build billion-dollar companies before the age of 30, athletes who achieve greatness early, artists who rise to fame instantly. But we do not see the years of effort, the failures, and the persistence behind them. Take Thomas Edison. He failed more than 10,000 times before he successfully invented the light bulb. Imagine if he had quit at the 100th attempt, or the 1,000th, or even the 5,000th. His patience and persistence changed the world. Or think about J.K. Rowling. She faced many rejections before Harry Potter was accepted. These examples show us that success is not luck. It is patience, persistence, and believing one's vision. Life rewards the patient. Life rewards the relentless. Not the ones who complain, not the ones who quit early, but the ones who keep going, even when the world says, "Not yet." Patience is not just waiting. It is how you wait. It is trusting the process and understanding that great things take time. It is discipline. It is focus. It is showing up every single day, even when it's hard, even when it's uncomfortable,
even when you feel like quitting. Every time you keep going, you become stronger. Every time you choose discipline, you grow your roots. And one day, that growth will show. People will then say, "Wow, you are amazing." But they do not see your roots. They do not see the price you paid for your success. Now, imagine your future self, the person you want to become. Strong, successful, confident. That person did not quit. That person kept going when things were slow. That person trusted the process. To go from your current self to that person depends on one question. Will you quit or will you continue? Because the difference between success and failure is simple. Do not quit. Remember this story. 2 farmers, same seed, different results. One persisted, one quit. Which one are you? Thank you for listening. If this story inspired you, subscribe for more English stories that change lives, and leave a comment with your thoughts or questions. Your journey to better English and a better life can start today.